In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively use reminders in Clickup. Whether you're new to Clickup or looking to optimize your workflow, understanding how to set reminders can be a game changer in managing your tasks more efficiently. Let's dive in and walk through the process together. First things first, open your browser and head over to the Clickup website. If you're not already logged in, you'll need to click on the Login button, which you'll find at the top right corner of the page. Clickup offers various ways to log in, and one of the most convenient options is to sign in using your Google account. After clicking on the option to sign in with Google, you'll be prompted to select your account. Once that's done, you'll be taken straight into your Clickup workspace. Now that you're logged in, let's look at setting a reminder. The first step is navigating to the list view within your workspace. Here, you'll find all your tasks organized neatly. To set a reminder for a task, start by selecting the task you want to focus on. Once you have your desired task open, look for three small dots, usually located in the top right section of the task window. This is often referred to as the options menu, and clicking it will expose additional settings for that task. Within the options, you'll see a Remind Me option. Selecting this will bring up various choices for when you'd like to receive a reminder. These include convenient preset options like today, later, tomorrow, this weekend, and next week. Simply choose the one that best fits your needs. If you're working on something that requires immediate attention, clicking on Today ensures you don't forget. Alternatively, if there's something you need to address soon but not immediately, later or tomorrow might be more appropriate. Remember, choosing this weekend or next week can be particularly useful for tasks you're planning ahead for. It's a great way to ensure you're not missing out on longer term goals while keeping your more immediate to-dos in check. And there you have it. Setting up reminders in Clickup is straightforward and a fantastic way to keep your tasks organized and your productivity up. Once you've got your reminders set, you can relax knowing Clickup will keep you on track. As always, feel free to explore other features and customize your experience to suit your workflow better. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more productivity tips. Thanks for watching and happy task managing.